In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up unused KPI metrics in Xero Analytics. Keeping your dashboards tidy makes it faster and easier to understand what's really driving your business. When old or irrelevant KPIs clutter a scorecard, key insights get buried. Today, we'll walk through how to remove those unused metrics from your business health scorecards in Xero, so your analytics stay clean, focused, and useful. Start by signing into your Xero account. Once you're in, head to the main menu and open Reporting. This is where Xero groups the tools that help you track performance and make sense of your numbers. From the reporting area, select Business Health Scorecards. These scorecards give you a quick snapshot of performance using KPIs like revenue growth, gross profit margin, or cash flow measures. If a metric no longer applies to your goals, it's a good candidate to clean up. Next, choose Manage Scorecards. This is your control center for editing what appears on a scorecard. Here, you'll see options to rework the setup so it better reflects how you monitor the business. Select the option labeled Rename, Reorder, or Remove. Even though we're focusing on removing metrics today, it's helpful to know you can also tidy up labels or change the order to match your priorities. Clean naming and a logical left-to-right flow can make a big difference in day-to-day use. Now, choose the KPI metric you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm it's truly unused or irrelevant. For example, if you've stopped tracking a particular margin or a growth target no longer applies, that metric is a strong candidate to remove. If it's something you might need later, consider whether reordering it lower in the list would be better than removing it entirely. Before you finalize, review the scorecard changes. Scan the remaining KPIs to ensure you still have a balanced view of performance across profitability, cash flow, efficiency, and growth. A quick gut check here prevents accidental gaps in your reporting. When you're confident, click Remove or Delete, depending on what your screen shows. This action simply takes the KPI out of the scorecard view. Your underlying accounting data isn't affected. Finally, save the updated scorecard. Saving applies your changes and refreshes the dashboard so you can see the cleaner, more focused layout right away. That's it. By removing unused KPI metrics from Xero Business Health Scorecards, you keep dashboards clean, organized, and aligned with what matters most, helping you make faster, better decisions every time you open your analytics.